Hello guys, welcome to the Momoland Nancy Boom Boom makeup tutorial. So first off, we'll be prepping our skin with some primer and then we'll be putting on a base. I'll be using a BB cushion for this, but you can use any foundation you'd like to use. But I like using cushion because it comes out looking very dewy and fresh. Don't forget to blend it well with your skin so it looks natural and you look glowing. I'll then set my face with some translucent loose powder to make sure that the base stays on. So let's start with some lip balm to prep the lips. This is to make sure that it doesn't dry out by the end of the video, and I have dry lips so I like to put lip balm first. First, I'll be doing the eyeshadow base, so I'll be using the color Bow from the Oso Special Sleek palette, but you can use any matte cream eyeshadow to do the base for your eyes. This is so that the colors will come out. If you don't have an eyeshadow base, this is a good replacement for that. So next up, I'll be putting on some pink. Same eyeshadow palette, I'll be using a glittery pink. This is organza, and you just put it all over your lids. This is to give a very shimmery but not overpowering pink look to your eye. I put this all over my lids as well as the lower part of my lash line, and make sure to blend this properly so that it doesn't look like it's a full colored lid. So I'll be enhancing the pink eyeshadow we put on earlier by using the color Cherry Bomb from the Berries palette by BYS. You can use any matte pinkish shade and mix it with a top shade. This is to create some depth in the eyeshadow lid. I'm also going to be blending this upward to create a soft gradient look. You can use a blending brush or you can use your fingers to work in the color. So the girls don't have very strong eyeliner. I'll just be using some black gel eyeliner and extending my eyeline a little bit. You can also put it on the lashes, but be very careful with this. I'll be creating a light smoky look by using some matte brown eyeshadow, blending from the outer corner of my eyes to the lash line. I have to do this very carefully to make sure that the colors all blend in properly and that you can still see the pink. I'll also be doing this on the lower lashes to give my eyelashes more depth. To brighten up my eyes, I'll be using some pink pearlescent powder in the inner corner of my eyes to give it a brightening effect. You can use a natural set of eyelashes or just some lengthening mascara depending on your eyelash type. I like using falsies because my eyelashes aren't very long. So next up, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'll be doing them in a soft arch shape and only using eyebrow powder because I want a very natural look for this so it doesn't overpower my eye makeup. I'll be using an eyebrow mascara to give my eyebrows more of a tint. This will also set the hairs in place. So my eyelashes need to blend in together. I'll be using a normal black mascara for this, also putting it on my lower lashes. Last up, I have to enhance the pink makeup, so I'll be using bright pink in the inner corner of my eyes and the outer lash part. Nancy has this, but it's not very obvious, but I just wanted to add this point to my eyes. Next up, I'll be putting on some pink blush on the apple of my cheeks. This is to achieve a very girly and sweet look. Next up, I'm going to be contouring my nose with a blending brush and some brown contouring powder. For the lips, I'll be using two tints. So the first one is going to be the Etude House Berry Delicious in PK013. You can use any pink tint for your lips. I'm doing this as a base so that there's a slight gradient going out. Then I'll be using a red tint in the middle or a hot pink tint if you have any, but I wanted to use red so it's more noticeable. Now that we're done, let's transform! So I finished Nancy's look by curling my hair with a curling iron, and well, I just wore anything I wanted to because it's a fun look. And if you enjoyed my video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear suggestions and your thoughts on my makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you think it was great. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell so you get notifications when new videos come out. So that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!